Our special guests, our dignitaries, are gathered here on the stage to make this special presentation to Queen Quet. I believe that the minister has the object d'art. I have it here. I'm about to read it. You're messing with my flow, Oscar.
They all think it's yours.
I don't understand. I don't understand Queen Quet. We have to talk to them, yes?
I know. We go pray for them.
Don't get me started now. This wonderful piece of art, which was created by artist Wayne Wells, is called Keeper of the Culture. It's a collector box, and it presents a matriarch as the keeper of the traditional culture of her people, the preserver of our humanity. And it is our great honor to have Minister John King present this to you, Queen Quet, on behalf of all gathered here and the people of Barbados. The item is made of Barbados mahogany and cowrie shells, and as I mentioned before, was designed and created by our own Wells.